Making money on the internet is an attractive prospect for many people. After all, who wouldn't want to make some extra cash without leaving the comfort of their own home? Unfortunately, many of the get-rich-quick schemes that promise easy money on the internet are nothing more than scams. If you want to make money online, the smartest way to do it is to be smart and realistic about your expectations. To start, it's important to understand that there's no such thing as easy money. Making money online requires hard work, dedication, and knowledge of the industry. It's important to be realistic about how much you can earn and how much time it will take. If you're expecting to make millions overnight, you're likely to be disappointed. The best way to make money on the internet is to find a niche that you're passionate about and build a business around it. Whether it's selling handmade items on Etsy, creating an online course, or developing a blog, the key is to create something that people will value. Once you've established your business, it's important to use the right marketing strategy to reach your target audience. This means taking advantage of social media, search engine optimization, and other digital marketing techniques. You should also consider using paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Finally, it's important to stay organized and focused. Set realistic goals and develop a plan to reach them. Make sure to track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, making money on the internet is possible. By taking a smart and realistic approach, you'll be able to make money online without getting scammed.